What's going on, guys? Today we're going to take a look at how to short stocks on the ASX. Now, I use FP Markets as my broker, and it's a CFD DMA provider, which stands for Contract for Difference Direct Market Access. Now, in the real world, what that means is you can see here in the course of sales and the order book, whatever orders I put through, whether it's long or short, they actually flow through the market. Unlike traditional CFDs, where you're betting against the broker and the broker makes money based on you losing. That's not the case with FP Markets. They make money just on brokerage. So guys, if you want to make savings on your brokerage, I've got a referral link below for FP Markets. And what it is, instead of paying 10 basis points with $10 minimums, you get 9 basis points and no minimum charge. Meaning you can put in like 9 $1,000 orders and you'll pay the exact same brokerage as if you bought a single $9,000 order. So there's no minimums really, and you can scale in and scale out your position, which is super helpful. Now this is Iris Trader, which is the platform on FP Markets that I use. And I've got a video on how to set this up in the comment section below as well if you're interested. And what we do is we can just put a stock now watch list here, and we can just right click and sell. And we can see here, short, yes or no. Yes means it's available to short. So I can short 10 shares here, and it's going to cost me $120 in margin, and it'll flow through at $800 worth of shares, which is 10 shares. So 10 multiplied by the share price, which is $79.83, gives us a trade value of $798. So if I put that through at, let's say the price has moved a little bit. So we got $79.81. So let's do $79.80 to make sure we get a order. $79.75. So if I click sell for 10 shares, you'll see the order just went through straight away, instantly. So at 257.09, our short went through, and we can see it went through on the left-hand side here because it says actual volume -10, which means we're sitting at a short position, a net position of -10 shares. Now, in order to close this out, we just right-click, buy order, and we just put in 10 shares, and we want to make sure on the ask we can get a fill, so 79.82 to make sure we get our exit. And we can see it fills here at 79.79. So guys, you might be wondering, well, what stocks can and can't I short? Well, you can't typically short stocks that are under 100 million market cap. Now, there are occasions where you can short some pretty small stocks, like let's say PLL. PLL today was available. So you can get borrow for PLL, which is sitting around 300 million market cap. Typically, you can short a stock that's 700 million market cap plus almost always. Now, it's not a guarantee, but as a general rule of thumb, if it's 700 million market cap, you can typically short it. Now, this depends on the prime broker for FP Markets, and they're the ones that hold the shares, and they sell on your behalf, and then they buy it back when you close your position. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you short stocks on the ASX. It's pretty straightforward.